Introduction. Well-designed real estate website can be your secret weapon in standing out in New York's thriving real estate market. In a city where every detail matters, having an online presence that effectively showcases your listings and services is key to attracting clients. A strong website not only serves as a virtual storefront, but also builds credibility and engages potential customers. However, even the best intentions in web design can lead to problems that hinder your success. Common issues like a cluttered look, hard to navigate pages, or slow load times can turn away potential clients before they even get started. If you're a realtor aiming for a strong digital impression, tackling these obstacles is essential. Addressing common design flaws will not only enhance the appeal of your site, but also improve user satisfaction. Common design issues. Outdated or cluttered interface. An interface that feels like it hasn't been touched in years can deter visitors from staying on your site. Messy layouts with too much information crammed into one space create an overwhelming experience. Poor navigation and user experience. If users can't find what they're looking for quickly, they'll leave. Complex menus and unclear labels add to frustration. Lack of mobile responsiveness. More people browse on their phones than ever before. If your site doesn't adapt to different screen sizes seamlessly, you risk losing a large audience. Slow loading times. A slow website can be a deal breaker. If pages take ages to load, potential clients will head elsewhere. Ineffective call to action elements. CTAs that don't stand out or are hard to locate can result in missed opportunities for conversions. Addressing these common design issues can dramatically enhance the user experience and functionality of your real estate website. Fixing design issues. To give your real estate website a modern feel, begin by decluttering your site. Simplify the layout, ensuring that each element has a clear purpose. Remove excessive text and images that compete for attention. Prioritize a clean, contemporary look with ample white space. This approach guides visitors to the most important information and creates a more inviting atmosphere. Simplifying navigation enhances user experience significantly. Design an intuitive menu that lets users find what they need in just a few clicks. Use straightforward, descriptive labels for each section. Test your navigation by having someone unfamiliar with your site locate a piece of information. Feedback from such tests often identifies potential confusion areas you may not notice. A mobile-friendly design isn't optional, it's necessary. Ensure that your website looks great and functions well on all devices. Test your site on various screen sizes to confirm that buttons are accessible and text remains readable. Responsive design ensures that your content adjusts automatically, catering to the increasing number of people who prefer browsing on their phones or tablets. Speed is critical. High-resolution images and unnecessary plugins can slow your website down. Optimize image sizes and review plugins to make sure they're still necessary and functional. Fast load times can prevent potential clients from losing interest in navigating away from your site. Your CTAs should be compelling and easy to spot. Choose action-oriented language to encourage visitors to engage with your services. Contrast your CTAs against the rest of your site's color scheme to make them stand out. The goal is for potential clients to understand quickly what to do next, whether it's scheduling a meeting or exploring a listings page. Integrating local elements show visitors that you're deeply rooted in the New York market. Use images of well-known local landmarks as part of your site's visual identity. When potential clients see familiar scenes from neighborhoods they're interested in, your site feels both trustworthy and relatable. Include detailed neighborhood information to help potential buyers get a feel for the area. Highlight aspects like school districts, public transportation, or community events. This information is valuable to users who are exploring their options in different parts of the city. Local testimonials and success stories from satisfied clients can further establish trust. Share brief quotes or anecdotes from clients who've successfully navigated the real estate process with your help. Local success stories not only showcase your expertise, but also demonstrate real-world outcomes. Keeping your website updated. Regularly refreshing your site with new content is key. Ensure that your property listings are up to date and relevant. Stale content can drive users away and harm your credibility. Consistently monitor your site's performance. Use user feedback to adjust and refine the site's design and functionality. If users report difficulties or suggest improvements, be open to making those changes. Adapting based on real-world use keeps your website user-friendly. Stay aware of design trends to keep your site current. Technology and user expectations evolve rapidly. By staying informed and applying relevant updates, your website remains competitive and appealing. Make your real estate website work. For you, addressing these common web design issues strengthens your digital presence in New York's real estate market. A site that performs efficiently, caters to users' needs, and leverages local familiarity makes a significant impact. Don't hesitate to seek professional assistance if you find implementing these suggestions overwhelming. Expert help can streamline the process, ensuring that your website not only meets but exceeds expectations. Ultimately, a well-maintained and thoughtfully designed website can act as a powerful tool in your arsenal, enhancing your ability to connect with potential clients and achieve your real estate objectives. Maintain a sharp focus on user experience and regularly evolve with emerging trends and technologies to keep your website as a dynamic, successful part of your business strategy. To get your real estate website to truly shine, it's essential to address common design issues head on. From navigation to mobile responsiveness, each aspect plays a crucial role in your site's performance. For guidance on refining your approach and creating a compelling digital presence that speaks to clients, explore Ask8's insights on Realtor webpage design. Let specialists help elevate your online strategy and connect with your audience effectively. Why subscribe? Let's cut to the chase. This newsletter is designed to make your life easier, your marketing more effective, and your business more profitable. I'm not just giving you tips from a distance, I'm living it. As a realtor, marketing expert, and consultant, I feel your pain because I've been in your shoes. And now I'm here to help you win. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for Ask8 Strategies, Ask Auggie Smarts, and let's turn those leads into clients, simplify your marketing, and give your business the boost it deserves. Plus, I promise I'll keep it fun. No boring corporate stuff, just real talk, real strategies, and maybe even a dad joke or two. Lastly, you will always see me sign off with the same statement, which is at the core of who I am. Subscribe. All the best to your success.